Well, good morning, everybody. Brock here, doing work on the 1966 VW bus. Now what you see here is all the inner structure coated with POR 15. It's dried like a rock too. Now what I'll do is I'll take and grind those little spots down where I need to weld it. I'll attach the new pieces and then cut that in. Now some of this POR 15 is in the engine compartment. It can be sanded down a little bit and primed over. But I just really wanted to get, this stuff right here is, for instance, see this right here? This is the battery tray. I want that metal underneath to be protected from the elements. So, and then once I get everything welded, I'll have to paint all this and protect it. This is what I'm using. POR 15. Some good stuff. I thought I had black, but that's what I had red. This is a new piece right here. It's going to go on basically. I'll just take and get everything fitted, welded in. I made a mess with that stuff too. You put it on with a brush. Well, you can spray it as well, but got stuff all over the concrete. Give the old shop some battle scars. Some good stuff. Uh-oh. Almost knocked the light down. So this stuff's already got a protectant on it. I'll just have to grind down where I need to weld. Oh, found this box right here at a yard sale this morning. Old spray cans. Whole box, $10. Most of them are full. Definitely worth that. You never know when you might want to spray something. So, that's what I got to do today. Start going back with some metal. Yeah, man. Hope y'all are digging it.